2021 Dodge Charger Redeye Hellcat, guys. This thing is a tank, all right? Shooting 6-foot flames out this car. This guy actually won the brand new G-Pack system. So we're slapping up some G-Packs right here in the midsection. So you already had the midsection done. What a coinky dink, all right? We did it. Gexhaust did it. The previous owner took it to a reputable shop here in Davie, Florida, and guess who it was, guys? It was Gexhaust, baby. All right, so we're gonna continue to upgrade this car. We're gonna slap some G-Packs on here, 3-inch G-Pack system, and make this Hellcat Redeye sound even sicker than it already sounds, guys. So stay tuned. So that was the G-Pack mufflers on the Hellcat Redeye. This thing sounds like a beast. Sounds like nothing else on the streets, guys. If you guys want your car to sound like that, your Scat Pack, your RT, your Hellcat, just hit us up, guys. We got these in stock. We're ready to rock with these. So let us know what you think. Throw some comments in there, guys. Don't be, don't be dicks, bro. Throw it in the comments. Ask, ask what was up. Ask, my bad, one more time.
Just start from there.
All right. If you have any questions, throw it in the comments. Ask what we did. Ask what kind of setup's on there. Ask how you can get your car to sound like that. Throw it in the comments. Don't be losers, guys.